from 10 News, and we are live here at Galunggung, Indonesia. Galunggung is a stratovolcano, and since its first eruption in 1822, has erupted 4 times since. It is an active volcano and expected to erupt again. So when there were earthquakes and mudslides, villagers from a nearby city evacuated the area. They do not want to be affected by the volcano as they were in the past. Once again, this is Jimmy Dean, live at Galunggung, Indonesia. We will report again, but for now, back to you, Cheryl.
Hey Jimmy, we're live. Jimmy, we're live. We all just saw you put the fidget spinner in your pocket. There's something we need to talk about. You didn't throw it, Jimmy. It's still in your pocket. Okay, you threw it that time. Yeah, like Galunggung, Indonesia. Are you filming? Monday. We're all of school.
Stop. Hello everyone, this is Jimmy Dean from 10 News.